Guys, Spy Ninjas, Project Zorgo erased Daniel's memory. He actually doesn't remember anything.
Yeah, I don't know who my family is, my mom and dad.
But when we're at the bounce house location, we found a bunch of clues that PC9 gave to us, so we're gonna reveal it today.
Are you ready, Daniel, to find out everything about your past, your family, your childhood?
What if I was a bad person back then? What if I did bad things and now you guys won't like me?
All right, this is one of the things that PC9 gave us. This thing that says talent on it.
Talent?
So I think we should just open this. Are you ready for it?
The only talent I have is hacking things. I'm really good at that.
All right, let's see what's on here.
Okay, plugging it in.
Plug it in, plug it in.
I'm so nervous. What if it's something embarrassing?
It's a video file.
I'm gonna press play.
Wait, you're playing guitar.
That's me?
I didn't know you could play guitar, Daniel.
I can't play guitar. What the heck?
You're playing guitar right there.
I don't remember this at all. What am I wearing? That's not CWC merch.
You're really good, Daniel. Yeah. You're great at guitar.
I'm not good at guitar. I never played a guitar in my life, guys.
Dude, that's you.
That's totally you. You're doing it.
It's the same beard and everything. Were you a famous musician in your past life?
Yeah.
Maybe I was. So Project Zorgo stole this clip from my past somewhere. They don't want me to ever find out about this.
Dude, I mean, I'm just excited because now we can start a band.
Dude, yeah.
I've got a guitar here. We should play it.
I can play guitar. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Regina, here, hold this.
Okay.
Here, Daniel, look. I got a guitar. Hold that.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't wait to play this thing.
You're holding it backwards. It's upside down.
Upside down.
No, it goes this way, like this. You play it now.
Okay.
Maybe your muscle memories will kick in.
Yes, this will jog your memory.
This is great. I'm finding out stuff about my past.
This is so cool. Rip it up. No, Daniel.
Wait,
The pick. This pick. This is the pick that strums the strings. It goes down here like that. Okay, so this hand goes underneath like this. Okay,
What the heck? I don't know, guys.
Daniel, oh.
That must not have been me. It doesn't make any sense. If I played guitar in the past, how come I can't play it now?
Project Zorgo erased everything. They erased your memory, your talent.
Like, I don't even know who my family is. They erased that too.
Maybe you just need your memory jogged. Maybe if I teach you something on guitar, Daniel, your memory will come back and you'll remember your family and everything.
You can play guitar, Chad?
Hold the guitar like this and go.
Oh my god.
You can do that, right?
Well, yeah, it's gotta be in here somewhere.
Okay.
Whoa, guys.
What?
Look at the video that you're in, Daniel. Something's moving in the background. Do you see that?
What the heck? Yeah, what is that?
That brown blob. It's moving.
It's a dog.
A dog?
It's a dog?
V and I found a picture of a dog like 5 days ago. Come here, follow me. Check it out. This is the picture of the dog that we picked off of PZ301's pockets.
Cute.
Yeah, and a lot of you Spy Ninjas left comments on that video saying that this is the same dog that we found when we saved Justin like over a year ago. And there was a dog like trying to sniff you out, Daniel, when you were at that junkyard.
You're right.
Yeah.
The hacker's dog.
Yeah, that dog was trying to alert the hacker that you were there.
Yeah.
Stupid dog, he almost exposed me.
Is his tongue out?
Hello, how are you? Daniel, I'm going to expose you to 301.
Yeah, I can't believe this dog.
Wait, Daniel, don't you think that dog is the same dog that's in the video?
Wait a minute, let me see. I don't know. So many dogs are this color.
I don't know, it looks pretty similar.
Nah, it might just be a coincidence.
Oh, wait.
What's up, Regina?
The picture we found in the park of you, Daniel.
Yeah?
Yeah, so?
If you look really closely, right here, it's a little brown. It looks like it could connect.
Wait a minute, no way.
Here.
Whoa, they go together.
Yeah, come on.
the same place.
This is the same picture.
You're holding this dog, Daniel.
I'm holding it.
Yeah, and look at your shirt. It's the exact same shirt as in this video.
Why am I being friendly with the hacker's dog?
Daniel, maybe that's your dog.
My dog?
Yeah.
That's the hacker's dog, man. He was trying to get to me and everything.
Oh my gosh, you guys, maybe we got this all wrong. Let's reveal the video when the dog was with Daniel. Maybe the dog recognizes you. He was being really aggressive to the hacker, and his ears like popped up like he's so excited.
Sure, I thought that was kind of weird. He didn't alert the hacker I was there that one day. He just looked at me.
It's gotta be your dog, Daniel.
So wait a minute. They took my dog away from me, and they're using him for evil now?
Project Zorgo converted the dog too?
If we can find that dog and bring him back, he can be a dog spy ninja. How cool would that be?
Yes, we need a dog spy ninja. What if the dog has a collar and it has his address on it? You'll know where you live, Daniel.
And then I can find my mom and dad. Okay, Okay, we gotta keep looking at these clues. We're getting somewhere, guys.
One of the clues that PC9 gave us is this test tube here.
Whoa, what's in there?
I don't know. It's
That's a
like,
Q-tip.
and it's really yellow. Like
disgusting.
unhealthily yellow.
Ew, who has
Yeah.
ears that
No,
wacky?
it's yours. It's
What?
yours, Daniel.
That's mine?
Yeah! PC9 said this belongs to you, and it's your DNA.
Hey!
DNA tells a lot about a person. It can tell
Really?
you who you're related to, where you came from. Maybe if we extract your DNA, we can find out who your parents are.
Oh my gosh, yes!
I got an idea.
What?
Remember that kooky old man? You know who I'm talking about?
Joseph
With the hair?
Banks, yeah! Call him up, tell him to work with this Q-tip. I wanna know who my family is.
Okay, I'm gonna text Joseph Banks right now.
While we're waiting for him, there was this envelope we found at the Opsol course. It said wow on it. So I'm excited
Wow.
to see what that is. It's gonna make us go wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow!
Okay, well,
There it is.
right here.
Wow! Wow!
Open that sucker up.
Yeah!
Oh, just opens.
Wait, wait, now it says mom!
This-
It says mom right now.
Oh my gosh, like, wait, mom, like my mom?
Yeah.
Open it up and we'll find out.
I'm about to find out who my mom is.
Pull it open. What's in there? Is it a picture of your mom?
A picture. Open the paper up.
No,
Oh.
it's a YouTube link. YouTube.com/blah blah blah blah. Let's type this in. Maybe this is like, will lead me to my mom or something.
Yeah, get your computer. It's right, you just walked by it. It's right here.
Type this in, V.
All right, let's see this video.
Play. Oh,
It's you.
it's me. What the heck is this?
Do you know where you are right now, Daniel? Does it ring any memories?
Yeah.
I don't know, some type of house.
Wait, who's holding the camera?
Wait, shh, I think I'm talking. Let's start the video over.
Oh, there goes Danny boy.
That's my mom, I think.
Yeah.
She said Danny boy.
Danny, you can't wear that to an interview.
Why not?
Is it the interview for Project Zorgo? That one video that we saw of you.
Yeah, remember, Daniel, when we were watching it and then you got fogged and stuff? That must be the point where you lost your memory. This must have been right before that.
Wear this.
What is this?
I bought this for you.
Okay. Thanks, Mom. Yeah, I said Mom. I called this person behind the camera Mom.
I hope she shows her face.
I know.
Yeah, come on.
Mom, if you're watching this right now, you gotta comment below. We gotta connect. We gotta meet again. What's in the bag? What? Opening it.
Oh my gosh.
Now that looks a lot more professional. See?
It's your white shirt.
That's the white shirt, my lie detector shirt. The shirt I wore the day you guys first met me. The shirt I wear for all the lie detector videos. My mom gave me that?
Oh, look how handsome you look.
Oh, thanks,
Now,
Mom.
if that doesn't get you the job, I don't know what will. They don't deserve you then.
Thanks, Mama. All
You're
right.
welcome.
Wait, this. This is the only thing I have of my mom.
Wait, no, Daniel.
Smell like her?
The lie detector shirt. Well, Daniel, the lie detector shirt. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but the lie detector shirt that you wore, that your mom gave you. Remember, you were at Mount Charleston and it got all ripped up. This is a replacement. It's not the same one.
Oh, you're right.
Oh no, now we can't get the clues from the original shirt to find out who your mom is.
Project Zorgo erased my memory of my mom and destroyed the gift she gave me. The only thing I have left.
Daniel, we need to figure out who your mom is.
I know.
This is terrible. This
I
can't
know.
be happening to you.
Yeah, there might be more clues in this video that we're not seeing right now. So Spy Ninjas, we need your help. After this video, make sure to go watch this. I'm gonna put the full video on the Spy Ninja Network. So if you don't have it, download Spy Ninja Network. It's free to download on your phone or on your tablet, and you can help us figure out Daniel's past.
Yeah.
Wait.
Joseph Banks! Wait, how'd you get in here?
I just entered. Didn't you all call me just a moment ago regarding your dear friend, Daniel?
Yes. Wait, I have a test tube here of Daniel's, I think, earwax.
Oh, quite interesting and also quite disgusting.
Ding.
But these plaques are quite beautiful.
Yeah, we found these in the desert, but let's get back to the situation here. We need to solve Daniel's DNA so we can recall back all his memory.
We can find out my mom and
How
dad.
curious. 7 days to open the secret room? What is so secret about a room?
Sorry. This is just my room. Gotta wait 7 days to see what's in there, so these guys are making me open it, but I don't want to.
Oh, rubbish! If you have a secret, you're entitled to keep it.
Well, you already agreed you're gonna show us in 7 days what's in there, Regina.
Yeah, so we can just get back to this then. Let's solve Daniel's memory. You gotta figure out what's on the DNA here. While you're doing this, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take you. We should try to figure out the safe.
Oh, okay, yeah. We'll be right back, Joseph.
Okay, guys, we've been trying to get into this safe for a long time because whatever's in here is gonna destroy Project Zorgo forever. So a bunch of you spy ninjas have been leaving us comments and giving us clues on which code to try.
Like Yaya's here, the code might be 14700 because Daniel was PZ1, Regina was PZ4, and V was PZ700 when you went undercover.
14700.
Yeah.
All right, let's try it.
Come on.
Incorrect. Try again in 24 hours.
Oh,
Man.
Shoot. All right.
Shout out to you guys. Keep giving us comments down below about what you think the passcode might be. Oh, Joseph Banks, whoa!
In a few moments, the sample will be ready for the centrifuge.
We're gonna know all about Daniel's past with his DNA, right?
I need to complete the testing and do physicals on you.
Physicals.
Physicals.
Let's do it.
Okay, Daniel, are you ready for your testing?
I want to find out everything there is about me.
Let's see your reflexes by tapping the patella tendon. Open your mouth. Wider.
Okay.
Take a deep breath. Exhale. Turn your head to the right and cough. I believe the results are done.
Yes, let's go. Come on.
We're gonna learn all about Daniel.
Yes. I can't wait.
Your DNA results shall be printing at any moment. Yes!
What's it say?
Daniel, you are 99.9% male.
what?
Congratulations!
We already know he's a guy.
We know that.
Wait, 99.9? What's the other 0.1%?
I guess there's always a chance you could be a female. You never know. All of that just to learn that you're a male?
No, Joseph.
99.9%.
We're trying to find out my past, Joseph Banks.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Give me 1 moment, please.
Come on.
Yeah, we gotta find more info about Daniel. Gotta know his history, his parents, his ancestry, everything.
Daniel,
Yes.
it seems like your ethnic breakdown is as follows: 70% Italian, 15% Greek, and 10% Swedish.
Swedish.
What's the other 5%?
What?
That doesn't equal 100%, Joseph Banks. There's gotta be 5% of something else.
5% Mongolian.
Wow.
Mongolian. Okay.
Cool.
Okay, what does that prove?
There is somebody with a similar genetic breakdown who's attended high school here in the Las Vegas Valley.
Similar
Where?
genetics.
What high school is it?
Spring Valley High School.
Spring Valley High School.
Daniel, maybe that's where you went to high school at.
Yeah.
Or maybe that's where your parents went to high school.
My parents.
Is that all you require of me?
I mean, we could definitely use your help to find out more about Daniel if you know anything or if you have any ideas on how to find out Daniel's past.
Yeah, and we have this safe that we've been trying to decode, so you can help us with that if you like.
Yeah, and we have all the other clues. What do you say? Help us?
Not my specialty, if it's anything science related. Besides, Daniel, let me know. Okay, I have plenty of tasks to complete. Kick bump.
Kick bump, yep. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. Pretty cool. Oh, be careful there, Mr. Banks. Bye, Joseph.
Bye, Joseph.
See you, Joe.
Thank you.
Daniel, I think we should go to that high school that Joseph Banks told us about. Maybe we can find a yearbook or ask like the principal if they know who your parents are.
Yeah, my mom and dad might have attended there or something.
Yeah, or maybe you attended there. Maybe he recognized you.
Let's go right now.
Wait, Daniel, this shoe, it looks... Have you always been wearing those shoes?
Yeah, I wear these all the time in every video.
Hold on.
Blue Converse.
Remember?
Not a sponsor.
The clue from PZ9, he showed us this baby picture of you.
Whoa!
Check out the shoes on this picture.
Those blue shoes. Look at that.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah, they're both high top Converse.
and they're blue.
Yes. They're the same.
These are the same shoes I was wearing when I was a baby?
Yeah, look, even the sole matches.
Whoa, they totally match.
Wow. So I've been wearing blue Converse my whole life.
Maybe subconsciously you know that you like blue Converse and you've just been buying them.
That's so weird. Okay, well, let's just get to that school right away, okay?
Wait, hold on. These clues, they all come from PZ9, right? And PZ9's still kind of connected with Project Zorgo. I don't think we can trust them. What if it's a trap? What if they want to lure us there to the high school?
You're right, V. What if Project Zorgo was there waiting for us? Only the school was like empty. There was nobody there. That'd be a perfect chance.
Guys, I think I got an idea. I'm gonna hack the weather app to make it snow.
What?
Yeah, so there's a 100% chance of snow.
Wait, Regina, you're saying you know how to control the weather and you can make it snow in real life?
No, of course not. I don't have like a weather machine.
You're not
But
Storm from the X-Men.
Yeah.
nope. But I'm gonna make everyone think it's gonna snow. See, I put 100% chance of snow. And then everyone's gonna cancel school.
Whoa!
That's amazing!
I wish I knew how to do that when I was a kid.
Yeah, all the parents gonna get an alert. It's a snow day.
It's a snow day.
So no school.
No school today.
Canceled.
You should just make it look like it's gonna snow every single day, and school's canceled forever.
Well, I think they'll catch on at some point when they realize it never snows here.
True.
All right, guys, I think we should go to the high school. Maybe we could find out if Daniel went to that school or his parents did.
Get the yearbook.
Well, thank you so much to all you Spy Ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing your comments right here. Make sure to subscribe to me and to all of us. And the next video is gonna be on Chad's channel, so make sure to subscribe to him and check out the video right here. All right, let's kick Bob out. Woo, kick Bob!